Welcome back, friends. Hope you enjoyed our previous videos. Today, we are here at the Chennakeshwar temple in Belur. By the time we reached the place, the clouds had gathered in the sky and beckoned us along with the magnificent Gopura. We made our way inside through the majestic gateway onto this courtyard. The temple, standing grandly in the center of the complex, is surrounded by a walled enclosure. Visitors get a chance to read about the temple's history from the information displayed by the Archaeological Survey of India. As you are now familiar, Hoysala architecture is the building style in Hindu temple architecture developed under the rule of the Hoysala Empire between the 11th and the 14th centuries in the region which is in today's Karnataka. Hoysala influence was at its peak in the 13th century when it dominated the southern Deccan Plateau region. The board also recollects the legend of Jakanachari, who is popularly referred to as Amara Shilpi in Karnataka's history. Everywhere you turn your eye, you will find sculpture after sculpture, each more beautiful than the other. We slowly inch towards the Grand Temple, and in this tour, we will be guided around by Mr. Uday Kumar.
The founder of the Hoysala, the Teng Hoysala. He found the Hoysala dynasty. That time no schools. School was going on under the trees in the field, Gurukula. One day when school was going on under the tree, that lion or tiger entered into the field. All the boys gone away. But that boy was a brave boy, Sala. He stand in front of the teacher. Teacher Sudatta Muni uttered a word to that boy, Hoi. They took 103 years to construct this temple. Your work is complete. That went on Gopura is the tower. Block 4 is systematic puja, all are going on in the temple. In Halebeedu, 2 temples in one platform. Dvikutacham. Somanathapura near Mysore have 3 temples in one platform. Trikutacham. Between Belur and Assam, one place called Dodda Gaddavalli. Lakshmi temple, 4 temples in one platform. Chatuskuta. Near Mysore, one place called Govindanahalli, 5 temples in one platform. They built 92 temples. On that 92, Ekakuta to Panchakuta temples are very, very important in art and architecture. 50% they carved in the bottom, then fixing. Above 50% they fixed the stone, then carved. It is not a one stone. Thousands of pieces is. South Indian sculptors group doing the duty in the Hoysala temple. The Gopura and the compound made by the Vijayanagara kings. After the Hoysala, the platform stones are made by the Mysore Odayars period. Because every Hindu temple we saw the Shikhar on the top, Gopura. In Belur, 42 dancing statues. In Halebeedu temple, 84 earlier, 14 remain in Halebeedu. 70 dancing statues stolen from the Halebeedu, now kept in the London Museum.
You're seeing that one?
Yes.
Statue.
There are Vishnu vehicle, Garuda.
Yes, yes.
Then 4, 3 incarnation of the Vishnu statue, Narasimha.
Yes.
This side 5, that side 5. 10 round circle, just like a rainbow type. In the 10 circle, you find the 10 reincarnations of the Vishnu. First is the fish, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana. That's a human incarnation. Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. Then I decided to mythic animals, Makara, pig body, lion's legs, peacock tail, crocodile mouth, elephant trunk, cow ear, monkey eyes. He is seated in the center. Right side philosopher Ramanujacharya. Left side his wife Shantala Devi seated there. Took the second dancing statue, Shukhabashi. In the hand of that lady, one pet parrot. She teaching the words to the parrot. They send the message one place to another place. Nowadays, email, mobile, phone, telegram, all are there. That is no mobile, send the message with help of the birds. The great poet of Kalidasa sent the clouds message. Mega Sandesha. Come this side. Stand on the mat. The great day of the Indian young peoples. Once in a year, our Indian young people celebrate one festival. The great festival of our country, Holi. The Holi dance. Lady holds the sitting in the hand, that is Jamil. One attender man, small attender, give the color water in the pot. That side one man pick up the water from the ceiling. Holy festival dance.
The pitchkari is damaged.
Pitchkar is damaged.
Okay.
The bird take a letter from one place, give that letter to the left.
She's holding the letter in the
Hold the letter in the left hand, that bird seated on the right.
Okay.
But on the statue, one intricate work, one servant lady wearing the half pant. That's in the world now, Bermuda. Look at this one, poor monkey in the side, in the bottom of the statue, side of the leg. That monkey pulling her sari up that lady. So beat that monkey, that lady also take a stick. That a monkey mouth is open, small teeth also caught in the mouth of the monkey. Monkey business.
Same one is
In Halebeedu, wall sculpture, that lady is steady to run,
Yes.
gap between leg and slipper.
yes.
In Halebeedu, that type of dancing statue of 84 earlier, 14 remain in Halebeedu. Halebeedu means ruined town, destroyed city.
Correct. Yes.
Inside the work is not complete in Halebeedu. Attacked by the Mughals. That lady hunting the birds. Vetegati, he taken the arrow from the back with a curly hairstyle. Earrings also full half. Total in the Belu temple, 600 varieties of facial decoration in Belu temple.
Facial decoration. Hairstyle.
Collected in the bottom. Attenders in the bottom with the makeup things. Look the statue of Shantala Devi. She dancing time body bends on 3 angles. Tribhangi dance. She wore the drum in her hand. So many type of classical dances in India. South Indian famous dance Bharatanatyam. That's combination of Bhava Raga Tala, more melody rhythm. Otherwise that has to be break dance. That statue named Kapala. Cowboys play in the bottom. Sunrise in the eastern part. Ventilation windows for good light and wind purpose. Western part wall sculptures. And that lady playing the damaruga. Threads up the drum is got very beautiful. Looks like a nylon thread. Whole thing is made in one piece.
Wow.
And that side on male statue playing the flute. Morally in Nritya. Ladies wearing the midi, half skirts. That's also made in 10th century.
This here, it has some design also.
Judges wearing the long coats.
Coats.
Open collar coat. One man stand there in front of the king, called a Dharmadhikari. He wearing long coat, kept the justice stick, wheel of law, wig. Our people's card is a Dharmadhikari, British people's card is the judges. Nothing is new. Age of 16 to 25, boys moved on the track of love. That time donkey also looks like an angel. Beautiful boys. So this lady face come with a donkey face. Because love is blind. In Sanskrit, one beautiful sloka is that called as the Prapte Shushoda Shivarshe Gardaba Apsare Bhavi.
Gardaba is
Yes. Love spelling L-O-V-E. Simple joke for L-O-V-E. From my opinion, we fall in the love. First, we loss of valuable education. Then loss of valuable economy. Finally, from the love, loss of valuable energy of our body. Look at the statue that is made in one piece. See the creeper design? Small patch. That's the lizard.
Yes.
In front of the lizard mouth, one small jackfruit is there. Center on small fly seated there. Small fly coming for to eat the jackfruit. Lizard go to catch that fly. Foot shine. Look at the photo here.
On the
See,
fruit there is it
This
is.
is a lizard. Jackfruit on small fly.
Yes.
The small fly coming for to eat the jackfruit. Lizard go to catch that fly. Foot shine.
Yes. Food chain. Yes.
Jivo Jivasya Jivan.
A lot of things.
Puja time, priests also come here worship this pillar. Before 16th century, the centerpiece was rotating, just like a ball bearing technology made in the stone in 12th century. This corner to that corner. The center stone was rotating, ball bearing technology made in the stone. But in 16th century, some repair made by the Vijayanagara kings. That time, two beam weight clipped on this pillar. Then it is jam, otherwise this was rotating. The ball bearing technology made in the 10th century. And all the sculptures made on idea. They did not have one place in the back side. They left an empty place for the challenge. No end for art. No end for education. That group missing anything in this temple. But the next time sculptures come here. Fill that place.
For the next generation.
ಮೊದಲು ಫೋಟೋ
One lady, 4 types. Hastini, one lady, 4 category, ABCD.
Okay.
Hastini, Chittini, Padmini, Shankini. Padmini is a beautiful lady. The body structure of the Padmini, waist is small waist. Simmakati, lion waist. Eyebrow looks like a rainbow, Kamakshi. Eyes looks like a fish, Meenakshi. Round face, Chandramukhi, smiling face always. Hasanmukhi. In leg of lady, second toe bigger than the first toe, lucky. She wrote in the commanding power. Lord Vishnu comes as a Mohini to kill the Bhasmasura. Identify the Vishnu statue. Yajnopavita is the sacrifice that Vishnu vehicle, Garuda in the bottom, hands all are damaged. Look at the gap in the crown, light also passes. So the intricate work made by the sculptors. Now come to the platform. Ceiling. The 52 small stones are assembled on the ceiling, fixed as an interlock system type. Center hanging pillar is there.
Yes.
That the keystone for 52 pieces. Before independence, anybody climb there and rotate the center keystone, center stone, just like a stone type. All the ceiling pieces should be fall down the time. Now archaeology department makes cement factor. This type of carving you find in Belur temple, Somnathpura temple, then Mount Abu temple. But it has a Bhuvaneshwar. Fish are there. Water drops are collected in the bottom. That's the right the name in the bottom.
Hairstyle.
And this statue name Mayura Nrutya. And the right hand of the lady statue on bangle is that bangle movable on the tail. It is rotated on the tail. In the left hand, one bird is there.
Yeah.
Front portion
Parrot.
looks like a parrot. Back portion looks like a peacock.
Peacock.
A lady speaks like a parrot, dance like a peacock. Inside Vishnu deity is the Channakeshwar. That room, Garbhagudi. Second room is the prayer hall. This is the dancing hall. 48 pillars inside the temple, 48 design. Look at that pillar. Support musicians in the bottom. This statue named Kutila Kuntale. After finishing her makeup, that lady,
She's looking at
make it a curly hairstyle with help of the mirror and the finger. The name put by the great poet of the Karnataka, D.V. Gundappa.
DVG.
ರಂತಪುರ ಗೀತೆಗಳು
ಹೌದು.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇವನ್ನ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅದ ಅದನ್ನೇ.
ಓಹ್ DVG ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿ.
ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಕೈಡಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನಾವು. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ PhD ಮಾಡೋರು ನಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 3 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಓರಲ್, ಸ್ಪೀಚಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತೀರ್ಣರಾಗ ಅನುಮತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಂಬಳ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. That one Vanarani, forest queen.
Forest queen.
She collects the fruits, put the basket in her hand. That basket is damaged. Hunting lady, Vetegaka. Again, here on male statue playing the Damaruga. That time called as Indian people called as Shirasprana. Now called as a helmet. Because British people give the independence in night 12 o'clock. They put the board on the 12 o'clock, general knowledge. Or Indian education burn in the night. Now Garbhagudi start from here, Shiva Parvati. Vishnu Lakshmi. Here Vishnu Lakshmi, Shiva Parvati. Now inside Jaya Vijay statue, here is the now Garbhagudi start from
behind this.
Yes. Sanctum area start from even Vishnu have 10 reincarnations, 24 special forms. Out of 24, 12 here. Kesava, Madhava, Govinda, Narayana, Mukunda, Achyutananta, Vasudeva. That's it all. But look at the third one. One statue, 2 gods. Half Vishnu, half Shiva. In the bottom Garuda, Nandi, Harihara, Shankara Narayana. In India, so many Nandis. Every Shiva temple you find the Nandi. According to Department Survey, Archaeological Survey of India, first biggest Nandi in India in Andhra Pradesh, Lepakshi temple. Second in Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur. Third in Mysore. Fourth in Bangalore. Fifth in Rameshwaram. Sixth and seventh in the Halebi. Come to Borner. Look at the corner. Shiva, destroyer. Kills the demon Andakasura. And dance on the demon body. That looks like a Kali for you. That's not a Kali. Putana. Comes and the Putani to kill the Krishna in the baby time, drink the poison milk. Krishna killed that Putana. Hands all are damaged. We identify the poison lady. In the part of the stomach area, one scorpion.
Scorpion.
Poison.
Wow.
Here, Vamana. Fifth reincarnation of the Vishnu. He comes as a small man, what Vamana asking 3-step plan from this Mahabali. Mahabali ready to give the 3 steps to Vamana, but teacher Shuklacharya gives the signal in the bottom. Don't give that one. That one Ravana, Lanka King Ravana.
Same.
With the Kailasa mountain, top Shiva Parvati. He said Brahma, that said Vishnu. He introduced the aeroplane to the world, taken from the Kubera's court. Thus, that's made by the aeroplane. Right there. His mother wants the Atmalinga for the prayer. Special Shiva Linga.
Correct.
Ravana was a demon. And they devotee of Shiva also. That we go to Kailasa mountain, pray the Shiva. If Shiva is not appear, then lift the Kailasa mountain.
And then he
Shiva
pushes it
appear
back.
to the Ravana, give the Atmalinga. Ravana take the Atmalinga from the Shiva's court, but gods make the plan. They are not taken to his court. They kept in the bottom. That place now called the Gokarna.
Gokarna. Correct.
This is the family god of Hoysalas, Narasimha. fourth reincarnation of the Vishnu. He kills a demon Hiranyakashipu. You open his stomach and take it intestine as a godlike. In the bottom, Ganapati, Lambodara, Vinayaka, Vigneshwara. His trunk is left side, happy mood. Straight also happy. His tongue go to be right, angry mood. In other temple, we can't see the Brahma. In the Vaisala temple, we find the Brahma, creator. About the head of the Brahma, one small bell. Look at the chain. The links is cut very beautiful. Looks like a metal chain. That one, Durga, Chamundi. She kills a demon Mahishasura. Shiva kills that elephant, dance inside the stomach of the elephant. Head and trunk in the bottom, back 2 legs on the top. In Halebeedu, same statue is there. One sharp nail spears the elephant skin. Gajacharma Ambharadar. Sharp nail spears the elephant skin. At the side of this statue, another statue is there in Halebeedu. Gajacharma Ambar is statue there. At the side of the Gajacharma Ambharadar, in Halebeedu temple, one important statue is masterpiece of Halebeedu temple. In India.
Was it that monkey?
Lord Krishna left the mountain Govardhana. The life of the Govardhana mountain card in one piece of stone. The little damaged statue in Halebeedu, Govardhana Giridhari. At the side of Govardhana Giridhari, Gajacharma Ambardhari.
Where a lion is going inside.
Yes, lion enter into the cave. One lion come from the cave. One banana tree, bunch of banana. Small monkey climb the tree. Snakes have come out. One hunter hunting a pig. God of snake. By the statue here. This statue repeat 24 times in Halebeedu. The famous sun temple in India in Konark. God of Surya, sun god. 7 horses chariot in the bottom. 7 horses is equal to 7 days of the week. 7 colors of the rainbow with Gaya. And he also a happy god, jolly god. Have 2 wives, 1 per day, 1 per night. Sandhya and chariot.
What's his name?
Sandhya and chariot.
Chaya, something you were telling Chaya. Chaya Putra, someone has written an auto.
All the bottom panel of the Vaisalas, elephant panel in the Vaisala temple. Because of stability. One epic story, Vishnu Purana says the matter. Whole world lifted by 8 elephants. Astadiggajas lift the world. That weight of the temple lifted by elephants. Total in Belur, 644 elephants in Belur temple. In Halebeedu, 1248.
Smaller in size.
Yes. Some part you find the lions and horses and flower creepers. Symbolically, strength, courage, speed, beauty. And the king ruled the kingdom perfectly with help of strength, courage and speed. Otherwise he can't rule perfectly. That's our elections of Karnataka and India. Because election money spent by the people, not by the politicians.
This particular thing is there only in this one.
Balcony, first floor, second floor, nut bolt, wire.
There also it is there, yes.
In Halebeedu, one panel is 7th panel, epic stories of Ramayana Mahabharata continuation.
Yes.
Start from the Samudra Mantana. This is the statue of Gayatri Mata. Pashankusha Japamala, Chamara Dharani, fan bearers. Ladies go to walking, carrying the pet dog, fashion now, holding the vanity bag. Look at the walking lady statue. She holds the vanity bag in her hand, that's damaged, broken, taken by the China peoples. One attendant, servant carrying the pet dog.
Yes,
The
yes.
hairstyle decoration. Without pillow she can sleep easily.
Simply Pomeranian Labrador. What is it? Look at that.
Yeah, this is and it's slanting also this one, huh?
This is a stand there. Occasionally, inside sometimes Garbhagudi closing. Not always, occasionally.
Okay.
That time devotees not see the deity.
Yeah.
They quickly go to other places. Dharmasthala, Subramanya, Halebeedu. That time the devotees worship the fruit trees. They go to other places. This one Arjuna, to win his wife Draupadi, he showed the fish eye, Matsya and Veda. Identify the Arjuna, Hanuman flag on the top.
Okay.
The statue is damaged because before independence, some people tell the matter here. You can touch the statue, music is coming. Our people climb there and touch it and damage the statue. The 60% of the Karnataka and Telugu, Andhra peoples know the history of Belur temple built by Jakanachari in one day because one film made by the Amari Silpi Jakanachari from the Padmini pictures that translate to Hindi, Telugu, Tamil. Same story is there. They built one day one temple. In the film hero मारता है 20 आदमी को रोड में मारती ना उन्हें. That's why these two couples, Rati Manmata, Kamadeva Rati, Cupids. Yes. Weapons of the Manmata, sugar cane, flower arrows. Sugar cane is very, very sweet. Love also very, very sweet. Not always. Sometimes only. The love spelling LOVE. Look, observe, verify, enjoy. A country called as Hindustana. 95% Hindu temples rested in India. The 30% sculptures write the names. 70% sculptures not write the names. But visitors come to the temple.
Right,
Visitors
in the
write the scooter number, car number, mobile number, cell number. Government not punish this person in India. That's why Hindu temples were rested. That's why they get the permission 6 months back. Built a Rama temple in the Ayodhya. On the top some inscriptions written there. Donation inscriptions.
Yes.
Written in Kannada, Sanskrit, Hindi, Telugu, 10 to 15th century language. But we can't read that item detail. We can read that item detail. We made on special subject, epigraphy. Then Sheila Balika start from here. Dancing statue of Shantala, that one singing lady. That side also, hand is damaged, Kapal Bhairav. Here in the corner, Kama Sutra. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha.
Yeah.
Sex figures also there.
Six positions.
It's red paint made by our peoples. Before in red color, made by our peoples. Only for the decoration purpose.
Okay.
Now that is strictly prohibited. That color effect to the soapstone.
Correct.
You come back.
Hunting. Servant lady bottom carrying the hunting animals. Ladies also go to be hunting. Ladies also struggle for independence. Poison lady, Vishakanya. Greek country people called as a Medusa. Our people called as a Vishakanya. To kill the enemies that time, use the Vishakanyas. I didn't say the poison lady, bottom on scorpion below the leg. She holds the saree in the right hand. See the border design of the saree also caught in the stone.
She's wearing a sari?
Yes.
You are thinking.
On that side, one student and the dance from the teacher. Lady astrologer. Fan dance. Pankha Nrutya fashion in Japan and China now.
What is the fashion?
Fan dance. Pankha
Fan
Nrutya.
dance.
Vishnu wants the rest. Suddenly, the Lord Vishnu go to Milky Ocean. Ksheera Sagara. And sleeping on the seven-headed snake on the Milky Ocean. That time his wife Lakshmi pressed the legs.
Snake name is Ananda.
Adiya.
That time his wife Lakshmi pressed the legs. Pati save. That time. Now that is only the so one lady playing the veena, Naga veena. This statue name, Garvishte. Proud lady. 1 minute sir, come this side. And that statue is a manicure nails. Sharp nails.
Yeah.
See the facial expression, proudness is there. She bends her right hand, one bangle is come down from the right.
That's bracelet. Bracelet.
That one Padangoli. The Hindu married women put the toe ring for leg. Belly Kalunga. Small attend the lady put the toe ring. The sculptor's imagination, that lady standing only one leg. No support, that's why she holds the creeper. She bends her right hand, one bangle come down from the right. Look at the Kana statue, long hair about her left shoulder, got a pony tie. Top on 80. Bab cut, sadhana cut. Drum dancer, flute dancer. The temple with help of this lamp pole. Every day, one man climbed this pillar, put the oil lamp on the top of this pillar. That light is burning at full night. That is also under 35 feet high. Approximately 15 to 20 ton weight, single stone, hard stone. Look at the bottom. They don't use any binding materials. They simply kept on the pedestal, freestanding pillar.
The mind-blowing detail and the painstakingly carved beauty has left us spellbound. Panel upon panel of elephants, lions, horses, and many other mythical creatures, along with floral patterns as well as thousands of human and divine figures. While we gather our thoughts, let's take a round of the temple. a circumambulation in reverence to the talents of our ancestors. With this, we close our tour of Beluru. Stay tuned on this channel as we explore more places in the videos to come.